If you've spent any time online lately, you've probably seen them. These ads promising that holy grail,
The perfect smile.
the perfect smile, yeah, delivered right to your door in seconds. That promise of an instant fix is, well, it's really powerful.
It is.
And today, we're doing a deep dive into one of these products. It's the Nextwea Perfect Smile Dentures.
Yeah.
Our source is a critical warning review that really just dissects the marketing claims versus, well, the facts.
Right, so let's unpack this. The mission here is to compare what they claim, these upper and lower cosmetic dentures you can wear for up to 48 hours, against the pretty severe red flags that pop up around safety and, legitimacy.
A classic case study,
You have to
really.
face that.
So the first thing that hits you is just the sheer marketing pressure. The Nextwea website it's high octane. We're talking every high-pressure tactic in the book. You've got these aggressive countdown timers.
Oh, yeah. Offer ends in 10 minutes.
Right. And the pop-up box is warning you that stock is critically low. It's all designed to just shut down your brain and make you rush the purchase.
And that urgency, it's immediately suspicious, especially when you see the visuals they use.
The before and afters.
Yeah. The pictures they look completely generic. We're talking stock photos, maybe, or just heavily edited images that probably have nothing to do with the actual product.
Wait, hold on. So they're selling something you put in your mouth, a very specific cosmetic device, and they're using pictures that might not even be of the thing they're selling.
It's the first clear sign that they can't rely on their actual results, which, of course, brings us to the documentation.
Or the lack of it.
Exactly. If the pictures are questionable, what about the credentials? You go looking for the manufacturer and the trail just goes completely cold. No clear business entity behind it.
And this is where that verification gap becomes, well, it's not a gap, it's a canyon. We're talking about a product intended for, like, medical use. Yet there is a complete lack of any professional dental certifications.
And that's not just, bureaucratic paperwork. This is the difference between safe medical-grade materials and something else.
Something that could be leaching chemicals into your mouth over 48 hours.
Potentially. Yeah. And crucially, when you search the regulatory databases, the brand Nextwea, it just isn't there. It's not in any recognized dental or medical registry.
So no one is monitoring their safety claims.
No one at all.
Okay, so if the documents are missing, what about the next layer of proof? The actual user experience. We're so used to seeing reviews for everything online, good, bad.
A flood of them, usually. But in this case, it's just digital silence. It's actually fascinating.
Silence.
Yeah. Trustpilot, which is a key hub for this kind of feedback, has 0 customer reviews for it. And in the world of high-pressure e-commerce, that silence really suggests one of two things.
Okay.
Either almost no one is buying it, or the reviews are being actively suppressed or removed to hide that the product, just doesn't work.
Either way, you have no way to know if it's safe, let alone if it even does what it says.
You have nothing to go on.
So what does this all mean for you, the listener? Well, the source material pretty much confirms the conclusion. This is not a legitimate professional dental product.
Not at all.
For results that are actually safe, custom fit, and will truly last, the advice is clear. You have to go to a licensed dentist. Knowledge isn't just about believing the promise of a perfect smile in seconds. It's about verifying the source and looking past all those flash sales.
And here's a final thought for you to consider. If a company has to rely entirely on generating fear of missing out, using scarcity warnings and dramatic, unverifiable photos just to make a sale, what does that really say about the quality of the product they are so desperate to get rid of? So maybe start looking for those official certifications and registry listings, not just for medical devices, but, for everything you buy online.